Hey, welcome to Chef Harpal Singh Soki's YouTube channel. In India, we observe a festival of 9 days called Navratri. During the festival in Gujarat, people play dandiya, which is played with sticks, and people pray, people fast. And during fast, there's an interesting thing that happens. You start cooking with interesting ingredients. And I'm going to show you one of those interesting recipes for fast during Navratris. I'm going to make a pakoda for fasting. So it's made of amaranth flour and potatoes and ingredients that are specifically used during fast. First of all, we need to make a batter using potatoes. So maybe around 2 small potatoes or 1 large one, boiled and mashed, a cup of amaranth flour, Rajgira atta, okay, peanuts crushed, unsalted. Remember that. The regular salt is not used in fasting. Green chilies, pepper, cumin powder, and pink rock salt. In India, we call it Sendha namak, not the black salt. Okay, pink rock salt, and make a batter. Fantastic. The batter consistency is like what you would make a uttapam. People who are Indians would understand. Otherwise, it's a thick pancake batter. Some water. We'll wait for the oil to heat up. Now the oil is almost ready. It should not be fully hot. Keep the bowl next to the oil and put some small droplets and let them start cooking. So the ones that are getting cooked have started floating. Slowly turn them around. As all of them float on top, I'm going to remove them and bring the oil temperature back to probably 180 degrees and then start frying. So all of them have also puffed up and become nice and light. This point of time, probably take them out. Increase the temperature of oil and then heat back again so that you get a nice crunch. As the oil heats back, all of them back inside, and we'll fry them until nice and crisp. Now when the oil is hot again, you need to put back the small dumplings, pakodas, fasting dumplings, and you need to fry them crisp. So they're almost ready now, and there you see the peanuts are also nice and brown, and I'm going to take them on a tissue paper so that the excess oil soaks back. We've got these small little plates for presentation. During this fasting, some delicious food. For all my videos are available on my website, that is www.harpalsoki.com. Now that you watched my video, how did you like it? If you have loved it, don't forget to subscribe my channel.